We're excited to be able to introduce the United States the brand new Merlo Roto 5035, Merlo's highest reaching rotating telehandler and all new redesigned machine. It's our newest machine and also our tallest reaching Roto. Reaches 115 feet up, and it reaches forward about 96 feet. So 11,000 pound capacity, 115 foot lift height. Some of the most popular applications for a machine this size and a rotating telehandler is going to be with your framers, your masonry contractors, highway builders even, who don't necessarily need to reach super high, but may have to position the machine, a distance away from the actual job site. You having the ability to rotate 360 degrees continuously makes it very crane-like in the way that you can set it up in one spot on a job and work the entire job with that rotation. There's been a lot of changes from the 4030 model to the 5035. One of the big changes was the design is now a modular design. The cab is all new on the 5035. It's now a 20-degree tilting cab, whereas before it was just a stationary cab. This allows the operator to lean back and allow him to see more clearly and easily his load 115 feet up in the air. It's also a modular cab. So modular cab just means it's more bolt-on. It's more of a streamlined process, and the cab is more familiar from one machine to the next. They've also redesigned it on the inside to make it a little bit more ergonomic and comfortable. It's more or less just a redesign. All the buttons have changed. It's a lot more simpler. In the 4030 we had a huge chart and diagram for the outriggers, and now it's just reduced down to 4 buttons. There's a screen inside the Roto that will show you all of the settings and inputs from the machine. It'll have your load chart on the screen so you can easily see it and see where you are with your load in relation to the load chart. So the outriggers on the machine are independent and hydraulically operated, and if you look at them, you can point or you can shoot the outriggers down straight from the base of the machine, extend them all the way out, or position them anywhere in between. And you can change each one depending on how much space you have available to you around the machine. And underneath the top of the outrigger there is a sensor that sends 60 signals a second up to the computer to the machine that will automatically adjust the load chart according to the position of the outriggers. One of the most exciting newest features on the Roto 5035 is the all-new CVT transmission. You don't have to think about your gears and your changing of your gears. The machine will do it for you, and you'll be the most efficient fuel-wise because of it. The accessibility has been upgraded. We've got a new ladder for access onto the turntable, more steps for better entry into the cab of the machine, and then another ladder or more steps on the opposite side of the cab.